International Yoga Day, also known as World Yoga Day, is celebrated on 21st June every year. It was first observed in 2015 and was declared by the United Nations General Assembly as an international day to raise awareness about the benefits of practicing yoga. Yoga is an ancient physical, mental, and spiritual practice that originated in India. It encompasses a variety of postures, breathing exercises, and meditation techniques that promote overall well-being and harmony. The practice of yoga has gained popularity worldwide due to its numerous health benefits and its ability to reduce stress and promote relaxation. On International Yoga Day, people around the world participate in yoga sessions, workshops, and events to showcase the significance of yoga in their lives. The day aims to spread awareness about the importance of incorporating yoga into one's daily routine for a healthy lifestyle. Various organizations, yoga studios, and communities organize public yoga sessions in parks, stadiums, and other public spaces to encourage people to experience the practice. These events often involve mass yoga demonstrations, where large groups of people perform synchronized yoga poses together. The International Day of Yoga promotes the idea of unity and peace among individuals and communities. It emphasizes the importance of holistic well-being and encourages people to adopt a balanced lifestyle. The day also highlights the cultural heritage of yoga and its positive impact on physical and mental health. It's important to note that while International Yoga Day is widely celebrated, participation is not limited to a single day. Yoga can be practiced regularly to experience its long-term benefits. Many people incorporate yoga into their daily routine to maintain physical fitness, improve flexibility, manage stress, and enhance overall well-being.